Good morning, everyone. Today is the best day of the year, the day of the year that I look most forward to. It is opening day of Knott's Scary Farm here at Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park, California. And while the Halloween season starts earlier and earlier every year at other theme parks, the season is not official until Knott's Scary Farm starts. And I actually attribute my absolute love and fascination with Halloween because of Knott's Berry Farm. Not necessarily because of the mazes and the shows, which we absolutely love, don't get me wrong, and all the talented scare actors. It's the park decor. When you walk into Knott's during Halloween, it feels like fall, it feels like Halloween. And over the years, they've kind of shifted from having some of the scary props to more family-friendly fall feel, like you're on a farm somewhere in the Midwest, completely decorated. When you're walking through the park here, like by the Mystery Lodge, you see the pumpkins, the decorations. You walk through Ghost Town and see the cobwebs on the buildings. There's just absolutely nothing like it. The decor team, the landscape team here at Knott's, completely unmatched in the industry, and always make a trip opening day to walk through the park in the morning, take photos, video, and we want to share that with you. So we'll be here all day open to close, covering the food, the new merchandise, the mazes, the scare zones, the shows, the Elvira experience. But this video right now is just to show you the hard work and dedication from the decor team, the landscape team, and what makes Knott's Knott's. And if you talk to the decor team, the landscape team, they will tell you that the park itself is an attraction during the Halloween season. Whether you're coming from Scary Farm, Spooky Farm, or just coming from a regular day visit for something to eat, the park is an attraction, and you will not see any park decorated like this anywhere else in Southern California. So let's go take a look and, you know, just give a little credit to the team that makes this all happen. Like I said, every year opening day I always come and take pictures, and several years ago I was taking pictures of all the skeletons on top of the buildings, which I do every year, and an associate asked me, "What are you doing?" She was standing at the window of the Chow House ice cream. I'm like, "I'm taking pictures of the skeletons. What else would I be doing?" What Knott's has been good about the last few years is kind of hiding Scary Farm during the day. Despite all the decor that you see, you don't see a lot of those scary elements. You don't see the elements of Scary Farm itself. The only spot you'll really notice is right here at the Wilderness Dance Hall for Origins or whatever maze is there, but where there used to be mazes on the Midways and big huge props related to that, you don't see that anymore. It's all just that Halloween theme around the park, which is fantastic. This couple has come every year to Scary Farm for as long as I can remember. They come by covered wagon. They come, maybe let's say it's their anniversary. Every area of the park is decorated, of course. Ghost Town, you can't beat it. Area, Camp Spooky, and then at night it is the Gauntlet for a scare zone. And there's some new props up this year for the scare zone too. Fits in really well. Sidos on this tomb is Shattuck backwards. Jeff Shattuck, of course, in charge of park decor here at Knott. So little shout out to him and the team. They have outdone themselves this year with all the decor and the landscape. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, this full walking tour. We'll be here tonight, get some of this at night, take you through all the mazes, see the shows, the scare zones. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. We'll have updates here all week from Scary Farm, Spooky Farm next week, and all the other Halloween events. Now I gotta go get a Scary Farm hat, my Scary Farm shirt. We hope you enjoyed the video, because I know I really enjoyed looking at all this. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and then comment. What was your favorite area of the park? We'd like to hear from you. Show the park decor and landscape team some love. Comment on the video, give it a like, and tell us what your favorite part of Scary Farm decorations are during the Halloween season.